Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vase here and today we are going to unbox the VIVO S1. VIVO S1, the side, the back, and let's move towards specification. It has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It has a 32 megapixel front camera. It has an on-screen fingerprint scanner and it has triple AI back cameras. So this is the Skyline blue color. Let's unbox it. Let me open the box. Here you have the manuals, the warranty card and a plastic protective case for the back. And here is the VIVO S1 itself. Here you can see the Skyline blue color, really beautiful. Let's power it on. VIVO powered by Android. So we also have a USB to micro USB cable, headphones and a fast charger. So the phone has started up. Let me just quickly set the phone. So I have finished setting up the phone. Here you can see its beautiful display. Let me open the camera. And here is the back camera and here is the 32 megapixel front camera. As you can see, really nice quality of the camera. So guys, if you like this quick unboxing video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions, write them in the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will further make unboxing videos as well.